Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press in the bell icon also. So I'm making a video series on HTML5. So hoping you are following my video series, and today I'm discussing about the text editor. So without any late, let's begin our tutorial. So today I'm telling you which text editor you can use when you are learning HTML5. So there are lots of text editor available in the market. There are lots free text editor you can purchase also, but I think you should not purchase. You can use it in the you can find any kind of text editor in free of cost. So if you are if you don't know how can you find your favorite text editor, you can search in the internet also. So I'm recommending you, there are lots text editor available. So you can use the Notepad also. See this Notepad also. This is a inbuilt text editor which is already available, pre-installed text editor in Windows. So if you are using Mac, you can use another your favorite text editor also. But I'm using Windows, that's why I'm suggesting you you can use the Notepad also. And you can use Notepad++, you can use Sublime Text also, you can use the the Visual Studio Code also. If you are trying to download the Notepad++, just you have to go to google.com, and after this you can search the Notepad++. Here you can search Notepad++ free download. Okay, download, and from here this is the official website of Notepad++, and from here you can download your favorite Notepad++. Now the current version is Notepad++ 7.7.1, and you can download the Sublime Text also. From here you can take Sublime Text free download. Okay, so from here you can see this is the official website of Sublime Text, and you can download it from here. Now the current version is Sublime Text 1.4, and now you can see there are lots version. You can download it in the free version also, and you can purchase the Sublime Text editor. And another text editor also available, that is Visual Studio Code free download. Okay, so this is also amazing text editor, you can also use this one. Now you can see there are lots versions available. You can download the Visual Studio Code for the Windows also, you can download this one for the Linux also, you can download it for the Mac also. So it's depend on your requirement, but I'm using the Windows, that's why so I'm choosing the Windows. So from here also you can choose the bit also, you can download it for the 64-bit, you can download it for the 32 bits also. It's depending on your system. So after downloading your software, you have to install this text editors. After that, from here you can search it. So if you Notepad++, okay, just you have to type the Notepad++, then it will be open. So you can also use this text editor to make a beautiful web pages using HTML5, and another is Sublime Text, but I'm using the Sublime Text 3. Now you can see there are okay, just wait for a moment. Yeah, now you can see the Sublime Text is already opened. So from here you can use it. Now you can see there are lots options available. Now I'm using the free version, that's why it's showing unregistered. So from the project you can see there are lots options available, and Now you can see there are the find, selections, edit menu, lots menus also available, so you can also use this one. So another my favorite text editor is Visual Studio Code. So from here also you can use this one. Okay, just wait for a moment, my Visual Studio Code is opening. Okay, just wait for a moment, it's opening. Now you can see it's the amazing video editor, and from here you can use it, and it's depending on your in your requirement. You can you can use it in different tasks, but in this time we are using this one for the HTML5. So thank you so much for watching this video, hoping you understand something about the text editor. So I'll meet with you in another video. So thank you so much once again, but don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, and don't forget to share this video also. Thank you so much, goodbye, see you again.